Four and six major important things. The first thing regarding this technology, we should digital guru. Digital guru refers to that we are knowing each and everything that about the electronic gadget. Means that tech savvy teachers improve the content delivery, engage student with balanced learning and foster IT skills, boosting overall societal progress. This is very important for the teachers, what they are going to impart, how is they going to motivate the student for the electronic gadget or tools. Right? If nowadays so many apps, ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Gemini, so many things are there. Then adaptive workers, modern teachers customize strategies for the inclusive education, adapt to diverse environment, create the solution, benefit students and workplace. One thing, all these things are very important, that champion and collaborator. Collaborator and championship means championship, you know very well. Collaboration means bring together to find out something, to work together. Then innovative thinkers. Innovative thinker means whatever, if you see any object, any new thing, new ideas, then you create and you develop your own idea and new idea for any particular topic. So that is called innovative thinker. And then lifelong learners. What we are our age, as in earlier in the morning, as I said, we are 3 age group is here and upcoming generation is in our class. Right? So still we are learning. Whatever we are age, so this is, and as we know that what is the education, it is lifelong process. Till the end of life we used to learn. So this is the quality of teacher, and that they should learn every moment, because they have to compete. As I said that we are single one and in front of us 45 brains are there. So how we compete with this 45 if we are not able to change ourselves, modify ourselves, develop ourselves? So that's why lifelong learning process. Then influencer. Definitely we are not such influencer that you have seen in YouTube shorts. We are real influencer. We are the real builder of nation. Right? So this is the most important thing. Teachers should able to understand their responsibility and give the proper influence to the. So these are the different characteristics of the innovative teacher strategies. By this way, innovative means what? Innovative means a person who always bring new things, or in new different variety of the ways. It not repeat the same thing. Innovative, these are the few personalized learning, small group discussion. I have seen in English class, Manjula Miss used to conduct like this small group. She used to make the few students bring together, discuss, and then they used to do like this. In higher section, in computer lab also, students used to ask, to solve, to think, to create the things. So this small group is also same time. This is personalized means individual difference. Then flip the classroom project and computer assistant method teaching. So many team-based learning. So there are so many. This is innovative teacher strategy, and I request that we should all